you in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the captain. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
I spent the past few days packing everything up and it feels so weird seeing my apartment so empty. It was really overwhelming because I basically had 5 years worth of stuff compiled, but luckily my family helped out, so you know, we got everything done. I think everything is pretty much packed up. I'll show you guys. It looks really weird. I feel like it's like weird to see everything packed up, but it still fully hasn't sunken in that I'm moving yet. I think I'll probably get a little bit more emotional once I see the apartment empty, because I don't know, last night it was hitting me. I was in my feels. I asked for moving on songs / new chapter songs on Instagram, and someone said Breakaway by Kelly Clarkson, which I think is the perfect song for this situation, so I just need a movie moment. There's a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys. All the boxes here. My office is pretty much empty. All the stuff on the shelves are gone. My closet is empty, which this was a whole task in itself, the closet. Lots of boxes. And then here's the bulk of the boxes. Again, I had 5 years worth of stuff piled up, so there's quite a lot of boxes. As I was packing all my stuff, I was like, Amanda, you need to start getting rid of stuff more. So I've made a vow to myself to throw away stuff when I'm unpacking in the new place. This whole experience has shown me that I really have a lot of useless things that I've piled up. So I think I'm gonna slowly go through stuff as I'm unpacking in the new place and try to get rid of as much as possible, because, you know, it's too much. It's too much. So we're gonna go full on Marie Kondo once I'm there, and hopefully that'll give me peace of mind. The move was a little bit last minute, so we're just trying to pack up as much as possible.
Taking a ride to Joanna Lake. 눈치 보면서 들어가 할 때 찾아. 나머진 바빠. 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들. 시간만 지나가.
Hello guys, I hope you're enjoying watching the moving chaos. I'm actually currently not in my new place. I wanted to put this in this video because a lot of people have been asking over the past couple of months about my Ana Luisa bracelet collab. We launched this a couple months ago and it sold out so much quicker than we expected, and we've been working to get it restocked because I know a lot of you guys were bummed that you weren't able to get it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it's finally back in stock on the Ana Luisa website. So if you missed out on getting the Lil Doodle friendship bracelet, the Amanda bracelet on Ana Luisa, I will leave that link down below, and hopefully you guys are able to get it and we can all match. I've already been seeing so many people posting pictures and videos wearing them, especially while they're journaling and drawing, and it's so cute. If you missed out on the announcement video, I'll link it, but this is the bracelet that I designed with Ana Luisa. It's adjustable. You just pull down on here and you can take it on and off. I think it's really cute and I wear it pretty much every day, so we can match if you guys get it. Guys, it's so weird. This is the last day in this place. Moving is so stressful. This is my first time moving with like a lot of stuff, because when I first moved in here I didn't have any furniture, and yeah, I don't know how people do this like several times because I feel like after this whole experience I'm never moving ever again.
무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby. 동선을 타고 난 날아올라 동선을 타고 난 날아올라
I'm leaving this wallpaper up here, so whoever owns this place next, I don't know if they're gonna keep it, but I hope they do because it's wallpaper that I designed myself. And then we just have the final bits. Guys, look at this place. It's pretty much empty. It's so weird. Okay, so today is pretty much the final day of moving. I had the big move day on Monday, which you saw a little bit of, but honestly on the move day, I suddenly got a lot of side effects from my iron transfusion shot. So I was just really sick on the day of the move. I was nauseous and it was very chaotic, not a good day. So I didn't get to vlog that much of that day, but pretty much everything has been moved over, and today I just filmed a little video packing up the rest of my stationery. And as you can see, it's all pretty much empty now, so it's bittersweet. It's sad. I did have a moment packing up and just kind of sat in my empty place and really, you know, said goodbye for the last time, because I don't know, this place has just been a place of comfort and security for all of my early 20s. I've been here for 5 years, and it's so weird that I'm leaving. So I wanted to kind of take my time in this space one last time and say goodbye, say thank you, and really soak it in. So many things happened in this apartment. Whew, I'm already getting emotional again thinking about it. I don't know why. It's just been, I'm trying to process my emotions because I know that these tears are like happy tears. They're not sad tears, because if I was truly sad and in love with this place, you know, I would just stay here. But I think it's like bittersweet tears, because I know it's time to move on, and I know that I've lived as much as I can live out of this place, and I'm just, you know, so grateful that I was able to have a place like this in my early 20s. I've gone through a lot of ups and downs here, and I think being in it empty, it takes me back to when I first moved in here. I actually came across a picture of myself in this place when it was completely empty, before this wall was black, and I was just sitting in the center and I was so happy. I also know that in the later half of me staying in this place, I had a lot of negative memories associated with this, you know, the pandemic, being kind of trapped in here and feeling very suffocated by my own space and my own workplace. You know, I know it's for the best and I know it's time to move on, but it's nice to kind of take a moment and remember. So, yeah. Anyway, it's the final goodbye. This is probably going to be one of the last videos that you see from this place. And, yeah. Keep doodling, guys. Bye.